Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I picked up the Yeti Can-Am Maverick X3 XRS Turbo R. It's a long name. This is a 1/18th scale, ready-to-run electric 4-wheel drive RC based off the Yeti platform. This thing is truly ready to run. It includes the batteries for the radio as well as the battery for the car. This also comes with a simple USB charger so your batteries don't have to go dead. This comes with an EC3 connector, but I'm probably not going to stay with the nickel metal hydride battery. I'll probably throw a LiPo in here. The radio is a simple Spectrum radio. Feels okay. Simple adjustment knobs at the top for steering, trim, this and that. No foam grip or anything, it's just pure plastic, but overall for what it is, not bad. And here's the car itself. I've always loved the Yeti logo. Outside looks pretty cool. It's got the black and gold theme going on with the red accents. 2 driver figures in there, red roll cage. Overall this thing looks pretty cool. With any new car you gotta make sure you squeeze the tires. Tires feel okay. A little sticky, overall not terrible. Up front here there are 2 body clips that hold on the front end, and this whole thing actually swivels up. And with the lid swiveled up you can get a good look at the inside. It comes with a 380 sized brush motor, and it's got the ESC and receiver all in one. If you ever go to upgrade this thing you would have to replace both the ESC and the receiver. Battery tray holds everything in, just kind of swivel the little pin there, and the whole thing lifts out and you can get into the battery. This is a 1300 milliamp 7.2 6 nickel metal hydride battery, and this battery is pretty close in size to my Traxxas 2-cell LiPo, the 2200 milliamp. So I'll probably end up using this in the new rig. And it does fit in just fine, so all I'll need to do is adjust the connectors. Underneath the ESC and receiver there is a micro servo, and it does have a servo horn with a saver on there. The steering assembly, everything is plastic going through, plastic links. This front axle is metal though. They do have bearings in the front wheels, and the shocks are oil-filled shocks. May need to be adjusted a little bit, but these are adjustable. But I really won't know that until I give it a proper test. Now this does have a solid rear axle, but they did put bearings into the back axle where the drive shaft comes in, a non-directional tire with a 12mm hex. And similar to the front, the rear shocks are oil-filled, and they even have a little faux reservoir. So I think I'll flip to the manual and get familiar with this real quick and maybe give it a little test run in the garage. Alright, so overall not too bad. Feels like the steering, it's very springy. It's just going to take a little bit of getting used to, but overall seems like it has a little bit of zip there for a nickel metal hydride battery. So overall pretty cool. Looking forward to getting this thing outside, giving it a proper test run, and then I can really tell you how I feel about it. But if you like the quasi unboxing of the Yeti Jr. Can-Am Maverick 3 X3 XRS Turbo R, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.